actually. Maybe. You guys don't need to worry. I'm just showing you different ways of cutting onions. There's so many ways, guys. Don't worry about it. Like, don't worry about some. Oh, let's just keep this ASMR actually. Some people blend these tomatoes, by the way, guys. They like it really. I like to keep a little bit cubes. I like this. It's a great tool for you. Okay. So just real quick rinse, because again, this cook really fast. Just put a little bit of sugar, helps out the sweetness. And there you go, my friend. Bulgur wheat with onions, tomatoes, a lot of umamis. You guys should definitely try this dish. Bon appetit.